everyone, welcome to a new video. I already prepped and put foundation on my face. I'm taking my scrunchie and tidying up my messy hair. For today's eyeshadow, I'm using Double Entendre palette from ColourPop. This palette has 12 gorgeous shades of warm nudes, both a matte and metallic, and it just makes the overall makeup look very effortless and sophisticated. Now I'm taking my brush and dipping it in the shade Flasher, and I'm popping it on my eyelid and just going to generously apply all over my eyelid. Moving on, I changed my brush to a flatter one, and now I'm taking the color Nip Slip. I am blending this color from the middle towards the outer corner of my eye. Make sure to really use your brush to go in there and blend everything. With more of the Nip Slip color, and I'm popping it on the bottom of my eyes to create a more brighter and softer look. Next, I'm taking the color Naked and applying in the inner corner and the crease area. Now let's add some dimension with Keep It PG, and I'm just going to use my finger to grab this color to get the most of it and just pop it on my eyes. I'm taking my eyeliner brush and dipping it in the brown shade Teddy Bear and going to put it on my eyes as an eyeliner. I am also doing the same for the bottom. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and apply mascara. It's time for my eyebrows. I'm just going to quickly fill in them and fast forward this step. I put all the products information in the description box below, so make sure you check them out. I am now using setting powder to set my face. It's time to highlight and contour my face. I'm applying the highlighter slightly above my cheekbones. I will contour below my cheekbones to accentuate, help bring dimension, and slim the face. My favorite part of the makeup routine is to put on blush. I just put it on the apple of my cheeks. It is so cute. It gives your skin a healthy, glowing look. For my lips, I decided to go neutral, so I chose a nude matte lipstick. It really goes well with this soft glam makeup look. It's beautiful, it's subtle, and it's sexy. There you have it, guys, my soft glam makeup look. I want to thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!